How you doing? I'm Justin with Audio EnVision, and it's midnight, and I'm about to go to bed, but I just got this earlier today, this shipment in, and it is a Sonos Connect. Now, I have a client who needs this tomorrow, so I wanted to get the video out and show you guys a little bit about this product, because I won't have it anymore. So anyway, let's get to it, and I'll show you what this is all about. So this is the Sonos Connect. And if you're unfamiliar with Sonos, if you don't know anything about the product line, they are a whole home audio whole home audio system that's all wireless, and you can add as many speakers as you want to your house. You can have one in one room, another in another room, and they all talk to each other wirelessly. You can separate the sound or the rooms, you can combine them together to be one large audio system. And again, it's all wireless all over your home network. It's all controlled through your iPhone, iPad, Android device, or PC. So that's just the basic idea of what Sonos is, how it works. So let's see. In the box, we got a little brochure here, important product information. And then we have this crazy, it's like wallpaper almost, you know. Wow, that's cool. I want to like hang that up in my room. Anyway, so yeah, in this it'll show you to download the Sonos app right here on either your phone or your iPad or Android device. And then it's also going to show you how to connect this device up to your home theater system. So the Sonos Connect. Sonos Connect and the Sonos Connect amp are a little bit different than most of the other Sonos products out there because they are just media players and they actually integrate with third-party speaker systems. So the Sonos Connect, here's the Sonos Connect right there. It's very sleek. I like the design of it. It's very simple. I'll get into those connectors in a second. I'll just show you some of the cables it comes with. Comes with a power cable. Comes with a RCA, stereo RCA cable. These are really short, so if you need longer ones, you can get some longer ones. This is a iPhone or iPod connector to RCA. Again, pretty short. And then this is the network cable. So that's to connect to your router. So we have that. All right. So we have the Sonos Connect. Now, this is designed to to connect to your theater system. So if you have a receiver, if you have a surround sound receiver, if you have a pair of stereo speakers or high-end stereo speakers you really like to listen to, this allows you to tie in the Sonos technology in with that system. So it's different than like having a Sonos Play Bar or a Sonos Play One where it's just a speaker and you can play music off of your phone, but you can't integrate it with anything. This allows you to integrate it with your existing equipment. And then once you do that, you can buy more Sonos products and start integrating your whole home with all Sonos. Even if you have a surround sound receiver, you still can integrate Sonos. Now the biggest difference between the Sonos Connect and the Sonos Connect amp is this device doesn't have speaker outputs, okay? So this cannot drive a pair of speakers standalone. It has to have an amplifier. So you can connect this device to just a stereo amp and then some speakers. You can connect this to a receiver, a surround sound receiver, and then to your surround sound speakers, but this will not directly drive any speakers, all right? One cool part about it is it does have an audio out. The Sonos Connect amp, Sonos Connect amp only has speaker outputs. This has line level outputs. So if you want to tie it in with your surround sound receiver, this is the one to get. All right, so we have our Ethernet connections right here. There's 2 of them. So in case you use up all your ports on your router, this will actually allow you to not use up any more ports. You can unplug a port, plug it in here, and then you can use that extra port for the device you had plugged in before. You have your power, and then you have your audio in and out. So what's cool about the audio in is you can tie in like a CD player of some sort or a phonograph player, and you can actually send that music through this to the whole Sonos network. So if you have more Sonos devices in your home, this comes in really handy. If you combine all of your Sonos components together in the network and then you hook up a DVD player, actually it'd be more like a phonograph player, to this, then you can listen to your records throughout your entire home. So kind of cool. This is a wireless system. Again, it doesn't require any wires except for the wire that connects to your receiver and the wire that connects to your router. So on top of the analog connections, it also has optical right here for your digital signals. So if you're listening to something that's in surround sound, I guess you could plug it into there. Also, digital audio is just a little bit better than analog anyway. I think it's cleaner. I think it sounds better. And then you have your coax digital audio out. Both of these send the same signal, so it really doesn't matter if you use optical or coax. Just know that if you have digital, you have to have a receiver that decodes that digital signal. So you'll know if you have that kind of receiver, I would hope. But anyway, so it's really simple on the front. All you have is play and pause right here, and then you have your volume up and down. Mostly, you're going to be using these buttons to program this Sonos to your app. After that, you probably won't ever touch these again. I rarely come up to my system and press volume up, for instance. It's already on your phone. So again, this is just a media player, and it connects up to your, the power of this comes when you download the Sonos app and you start controlling this device through the Sonos app. Then you could play your Pandora, you could play your TuneIn Radio, your Spotify, your iTunes, your Apple Music, Amazon Music. The list of apps they have apps within the Sonos app, but the list of music services they have just is endless. I still haven't found a limit to it, to be honest. So they have everything I need as far as music goes. And I really love this system. Again, you can get this, and then you can connect this to your router. You can buy more Play 1s, Play 5s, Play bars, all in the Sonos family, and connect them up to your entire home to form a whole home audio system that doesn't require any wires. So it's a really awesome system. It's always reliable. It's never failed on me. I don't get any complaints from any of my clients from it, and that's why I continue using it and continue installing it. So if you have any more questions about the Sonos Connect, let me know. If you're in the Phoenix area, in the Phoenix metropolitan area in Arizona, give me a call because I'm a dealer for these, and I can get you hooked up. So again, I'm Justin with Audio and Vision, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.